Then class 6 students, how are you? Hope you everyone fine. Class 6 students, listen carefully. This is computer class and with Arkesh sir. Today we are going to just understand about that last chapter in the computer book. The last chapter is chapter 8 and the name of that chapter is Introduction to Flash CS5. Okay. What is the name of that chapter? The chapter name is Introduction to Flash CS5. Firstly, everyone just to open your computer book on page number 101. Okay. So let's start to understanding about that Flash CS5. You know that the Flash CS5 is a multimedia and design software developed by the Adobe. It means it is a multimedia software. Here you just do looks like as a pictures, videos, MP3s, etc. Sounds. Okay. Now starting to Flash CS5. The question is this: starting to Flash CS5. Okay. For starting to Flash CS5, it is similar procedure. Those you just use in the previous applications like that the MS Word. Okay. Firstly, you go to the start, after that all program, and in the all program you just select the Adobe Flash CS5 Professional. When you just select the Adobe CS5 plus Professional, automatically that application is open. Now just come on the components of the Flash window. So everyone just know that the topmost bar of every application is called title bar. The downside of title bar is called menu bar, and the downside here is given the layers panel. What's the panel is given on the window of the CS5 is the layer panel, and in the right side of the layer panel is given timeline. What's the given? Timeline. Now just see on the picture. So on that pictures is given the left side of that window is there are some commands looks in a tools. Okay, looks in a which type? In a tools. So tools panel is given on the window left side. Where given? Left side. Now just see in the right side. In the right side is given the edit bar. Then after in and now the working area where you just do the work. And last in the downside is given the property inspector. What is the given? Property inspector. Property inspector what should do? It provides to option to modify attribute to the selections object or tool. Modified. Okay. Now working in Flash. How you just work in a Flash? Everyone just listen carefully. If you want to just new Flash file, then you just go on the file menu and on there you just select the new option, and in the new option you just select the new document, and when you just going to select the new document on there you just select Flash file action script 3.0. Flash file action script 3.0. Then you will be have a document page on there. You just do the work. Now the next feature is going to the save your Flash document. What you have going to do that Flash file saving. So similarly then either you press the Ctrl S, either you just go on the file tab and click on the save and write the project file name, and you just click on the save option to save that file. Next, there is two options to save. First is save and second is save as. The both feature is used to file in a future. Next is the opening Flash document. It is another features in the Flash by which you have to just open the stored file in your computer system. Suppose that a Flash file is already stored in your computer system and you need to want to show them what's the content on that. Then you just go on the file tab and click on the open, and after that choose your file and click the open option. Automatically that file is open. Those you have to select it. Now let us understanding about that tools panels. Okay, which type of tools is given on there and how can we just use about that tools to do some work. Listen carefully. On the chart of the tools there is given the almost from above to downside 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 layers are 7 rows are given the tools, and 1 row is given the view, and 3 rows is given to the colors, and last one 2 options is given the options. Now just listen carefully. Tools contains tools of painting, drawing and selection. Views contains tools of zooming. Color contains modifying the fill colors of strokes, and option area is modified the presently selected tools. Now just listen carefully. Here is a given a lot of tools on 100 page number 4. You just open that. I want to read and you just going to understand. Okay. Now first is the selection. What do you know about that selection? Selection it means you just select a part of your image, either a part of your document. Okay. So by the selections we have to use to select the object. Then next is a sub selection. It's modified to specific anchor points on a curve, on a circle. It is also used to move individual object. It means those selection you have to done previously. If you want to do the modification, then you just do by the sub selection option. Next is a free transform. Free transform is another form of the selection by which you have to just free of the selections. You will be just select from any part of the documents. Next is the lasso tool. Lasso tool is used to just select the irregular outline. Irregular outline means there nor is just vertical nor is just horizontal. Irregular it means those surface you want to just select. Suppose that I want to select this one. Those surface you want to select. That type of selection is done by the lasso. Next is a pen. What is the use of pen? It is used to draw the curves or lines by creating anchor points which connects them. You can point to draw a straight, smooth and curved line. Next is the text. Text is used to just write the text in a document. Next is the line. Line tool is used to just draw a straight line. Next is the rectangle. Rectangle is used to just it is used to draw the rectangle and square and different size of colors. Next, pencil tool, draw lines is free from mood. Okay, whenever you want to just draw by the pencil, you have to do it. Next is the brush tool. It is used to draw the brush like stroke. And deco tools is used to create a pattern on the stage. Now, after all, the next is a bone tool. It is used to create a movement in arms and leg of living creation. Next is a 3D rotation tool. It is used to transform and rotate a symbol around X, Y, Z axis. Suppose that this is a shape, then you want to just rotate from there. Okay, it means from 3 sides in the 3D rotation tool. Next is a link bottle. Link bottle, it is used to just give color, thickness and styles of a line in a flash document. Next is a paint bucket. It is used to fill the enclosed area of the drawing. Suppose that you have to just draw a rectangle and in there you want to just fill the color. Then you have to choose the paint bucket. Next is a eyedropper. Eyedropper, it is used to just copy the colors of an existing object of the color. Next is eraser tool. Eraser tool is erase the lines and color. Hand tool is used to just move the stage of your work area. Zoom tool is just increase and reduce the view size of the stage. Stroke color control, it is used to stroke color. Set the stroke color and select color can be in the color palette. Next is a fill color control. Here you just select the colors and those you want. Black and white button, it is used to just fill the black colors. Swap color button. By this option you have to just swap the colors from the foreground or the background. Snap to object, it is used to just snap objects along their aids to the objects. And second last is smooth. When you draw a line, you will be see that the line is already smoothed. And next is straighten. It is automatically straight the line draw. Next is the features in the library. Okay. Now you just understand library just comes by the F11 button and goes from the F11. Listen carefully. Flash file that is created has its own library. Okay. In this library you can store photographs, clip art, symbols are used through in the flash file. To open the library, you just go in the window menu and select the library. Now after that, you just listen carefully. The next feature is this. Library terminology. There is two things. First is a symbol and second is an instance. A symbol is a name given to an object saved in library. It can be used time and again in a flash movie. And second is an instance. An instance is a copy of symbol used to flash movies. You can give a name to instance in the properties panel. It is changed when the original symbol is edited. Now next is using multiple libraries. More than one library panel can be opened at once. Go on the window on the common libraries. These libraries include the buttons, sounds, some learning interaction. Next is a flash file format. Listen carefully. .fla is a type of flash file and .swf when you are publishing the document, then SWF is created. Write some tools options. Next is a selection tool. Selection tool, you know that there is a arrow, lasso, subselection and free transform tools fall under the category of the selection tool. Let us understand. Firstly, you have to know that the selection tool represents a small arrow. It is used to select one or more objects in a flash. In this tool panel, on the select side, left side on the window, click on the arrow button. There is a different ways to selection object. First is the object is only a fill and does not have outline. The object is a fill has an outline. The select only the outline. The select various unconnected object. Okay, now just come on the lasso tool. Lasso tool is a type of tool by which you have to just a selection. Selection is a free hand. Okay. Next is a magic band modifier. Magic band modifier is to select the range of a similar color. Okay, select the range of a similar color. Magic band setting. There is two types of setting. First is a threshold and second is smoothing setting. This number defines a breadth of adjacent color and it determines the degree of smoothness. Okay. Now next is a polygonal mode. It creates a selection points from the mouse clicking. Street selection is the extended between the mouse color. Next is a subselection tool. Subselection tool. When you just select the subselection tool, anchor points small or circles appears on the object. Next is a free transfer tool. To use to free transfer, you can follow the rest of the following. First is to begin with, select the object, group of object or a text box by which when after you just select the transfer, then you will be increase and decrease the size of the object. Next is scale, rotate and skew. Scale is a type of object by which you just four-headed arrow will be on the object. Click on the drag select object. Second is the rotate by which rotate option is used to just rotate the object in any angle. And last is skew. Skew is a features of the features of the features of this application by which you just skew at the type of portions in the Flash CS file. Okay. So, however, you just understand about it. Today, I am giving the notes in your WhatsApp group and your application. You may just write answer of that questions, and after all, this book is completed. Okay. Now you just prepare your PT and half yearly annual examinations. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.